A reassurance from the Kent County prosecutor that he plans to make the decision on whether to charge the officer who shot and killed Patrick Lyoya.
This after the Attorney General said today her office might be better able to handle the case. News 8's Jacqueline Francis is in studio now with what both of them said. Jacqueline?
Attorney General Dana Nessel brought up some concerns about county prosecutors handling cases like these. For example, they work closely with local police officers. But prosecutor Chris Becker says this is what he was elected to do.
The Department of Attorney General is best suited to handle these cases.
What does that mean to you? Does that change anything?
No. I mean, I'm fully intend to handle this.
It's been more than 2 weeks since 26-year-old Patrick Lyoya was shot and killed by a Grand Rapids police officer during a traffic stop. Michigan State Police is handling the investigation. Once complete, it'll be up to Kent County prosecutor Chris Becker to decide whether the officer is criminally charged. He could also give the case to Attorney General Dana Nessel, who believes her office is better equipped to handle the decision.
At the Department of Attorney General, it's not that we have more resources, just that we have more resources, which we do. We have more prosecutors. We have a lot of expertise. We have our own special agents. But, you know, we don't have those kinds of relationships where we have to work one-on-one with local police officers. So we can be, not just that we can be more impartial, but from the standpoint of the public, I think it just looks terrible when you have a prosecutor who has some sort of direct contact and relationship with that police officer.
Becker says if he knew the officer involved or had a conflict of interest, then he would give the case to the Attorney General. But he doesn't, so that's not a concern. Do you know that officer? No. Have you ever had personal contact with him?
Never. Wouldn't know him from Adam.
As prosecutor, Becker says he's already handled a dozen or so of these cases.
I'm doing this just like we did any other case and any other officer-involved shooting case. Yeah, there's a lot more scrutiny and a lot more people responding and having their own opinions on it, but that can't change what we do here. We have to look at it and analyze it and treat it with the seriousness that it deserves.
On that, Nessel agrees.
So it's not that I don't trust Prosecutor Becker. You know, I assume that he's going to do the right thing, that he'll follow the facts and the evidence and the law. But just that our department is often better situated for those reasons. We would take it if he referred it to us.
Why take it? Would it be easier to pass it off?
Probably would be easier, sure, but yeah, why I've done, this is not our first officer-involved shooting in Kent County. I've probably done at least 10 to 12 in my term since I've been elected prosecutor, and I've never disqualified before, so what changes here other than it's a high-profile case and it's got national attention?
By this time next week, Becker expects to be reviewing the case, although that all depends on when state police finish its investigation into the shooting.